Have you ever wondered why Uranus is tilted at a strange angle compared to other planets? This icy giant, nestled in the outer reaches of our solar system, carries a unique quirk. Unlike its celestial siblings, Uranus leans on its side, a characteristic that has puzzled astronomers for centuries. Some theories suggest a massive cataclysmic collision might be responsible for this. Intriguing, isn't it? So let's buckle up and take a journey back in time to understand more about this peculiar planet. The story of Uranus is one of late discovery and mistaken identity. Our tale begins in the late 18th century. The year was 1781, and a man by the name of William Herschel was peering up at the night sky. Herschel was no ordinary stargazer, but a music teacher and self-taught astronomer whose passion for the cosmos led him to build his own telescope, the likes of which the world had never seen. One fateful evening, Herschel noticed a faint, distant point of light that didn't quite fit with the celestial landscape he was familiar with. Intriguingly, this object seemed to move, albeit very slowly, against the backdrop of distant stars. His first thought, he'd found a new comet, an icy visitor from the outer reaches of the solar system. But as days turned into weeks and weeks into months, Herschel observed that this supposed comet wasn't behaving as it should. Its path was circular, not elliptical. Its movement was slow and steady, not swift and erratic, and it didn't possess the iconic glowing coma or tail that comets were known for. Could it be then that this wasn't a comet after all, but a star? Yet that theory also fell short. Stars don't move against the celestial sphere, they remain fixed. This object was a mystery, a puzzle that needed solving. In a stroke of genius, Herschel proposed something truly revolutionary. He suggested that this object was neither a comet nor a star, but a planet. A planet so distant, so dim and so slow-moving that it had gone unnoticed for millennia. This was a radical idea, for it meant that the known boundaries of our solar system had to be expanded. The scientific community was skeptical at first, but upon further observation and calculation, they had to concede. Herschel was right. He had indeed discovered a new planet, the first to be discovered since antiquity. He had found Uranus. So Uranus, once a star, then a comet, finally gained recognition as a planet. Beneath its blue-green clouds, Uranus hides a complex and fascinating structure. This seventh planet from the Sun, named after the Greek god of the sky, is a world of mystery and intrigue, often overshadowed by its more flamboyant planetary siblings. Yet its composition is as intriguing and unique as any in our solar system. So what is Uranus made of? Let's delve deeper into its celestial anatomy to find out. The outermost layer of Uranus, the one we can see from our telescopes, is primarily composed of a thick, soupy atmosphere. This atmosphere is made up predominantly of hydrogen and helium, the two lightest elements in the universe. These elements make up around 80 to 85% of its atmosphere. But what about that distinctive blue-green hue we associate with Uranus? That's down to a small amount of methane gas present in the atmosphere. Methane absorbs red light from the sun and reflects the blue and green light back into space, giving Uranus its unique color. However, the surface of Uranus is not where the intrigue ends. Beneath this gaseous blanket lies an icy mantle, making up the bulk of the planet's mass. This mantle, contrary to what the name might suggest, isn't icy in the way we understand it on Earth. Rather, it is an extremely hot and dense fluid of water, ammonia, and other volatiles that behaves much like a molten rock would on our home planet. This icy mantle surrounds the planet's core, which is relatively small and rocky. Now let's talk about one of the most peculiar aspects of Uranus, its magnetic field. Unlike most other planets, Uranus's magnetic field is not aligned with its rotation axis. Instead, it's tilted at a staggering 59 degrees. This generates a lopsided magnetic field that opens and closes as the planet spins, creating a fascinatingly complex magnetosphere. Scientists believe this strange alignment may be a result of the icy mantle, which could be acting as a sort of planetary dynamo to generate the magnetic field. In terms of composition, Uranus is often classified as an ice giant, a term that refers to its large size and the presence of ices in its interior. Yet it's worth noting that Uranus, with its gaseous atmosphere, icy mantle and rocky core, is a planet of many layers. each with its own unique properties and mysteries. So you see, Uranus is not just another blue ball in space. It's a world with its own unique composition. It's a planet that challenges our understanding of planetary formation and behavior and continues to captivate astronomers and space enthusiasts alike with its distinctive hue and quirky characteristics. Despite years of observation and study, Uranus holds many secrets yet to be unveiled. The enigma of Uranus begins with its unusually cold temperature. Despite being further from the Sun than Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus is curiously the coldest planet in our solar system, with temperatures plunging to -370 degrees Fahrenheit. This icy cold mystery has left scientists scratching their heads. Could it be due to a lack of internal heat generation? Or perhaps there's a unique chemical reaction taking place in its atmosphere that we're yet to understand. The cold truth is, we simply do not know. Then there's the matter of Uranus's peculiar tilt. Unlike other planets that spin on an axis similar to the Sun's, Uranus rolls around the Sun on its side. This unusual tilt of roughly 98 degrees results in extreme seasons lasting for 21 years each. The cause of this bizarre tilt is believed to be a colossal cosmic collision, but the details of this celestial smash-up remain shrouded in mystery. Not to be outdone by its chilly temperature and strange tilt, Uranus's magnetosphere is another puzzling feature. Unlike Earth's magnetosphere, which aligns closely with its axis of rotation, Uranus's magnetic field is lopsided. It's tilted at a staggering 59 degrees from the planet's axis of rotation, leading to a wildly fluctuating magnetic field. This strange phenomenon could be due to the planet's unusual internal structure. But again, the exact cause is unknown. And if these mysteries weren't enough, there's also the tantalizing possibility of undiscovered moons or a system of rings. Uranus already boasts a complex system of 13 known rings and 27 moons. However, some scientists speculate that hidden within this cosmic ballet could lie yet more moons or rings, their existence potentially explaining some of the planet's anomalies. But why stop there? Some theories even propose that Uranus might have a dark moon, an unseen celestial body casting its shadow on the planet, or perhaps a system of dark rings, invisible from Earth, silently circling the planet. Such theories are yet unproven, but they add another layer of intrigue to this already mysterious planet. The more we learn about Uranus, the more questions we seem to have. Each discovery leads us down a new path of mystery and intrigue, each answer only serving to deepen the enigma. It's a cosmic conundrum, a celestial puzzle waiting to be solved. It seems Uranus will continue to baffle and intrigue us for years to come. So, what have we learned about this enigmatic planet so far? We've journeyed back to the year 1781, when Uranus first made its celestial debut to the human eye. It was the first planet discovered with a telescope, a testament to the strides humanity was making in the field of astronomy, an event that expanded our cosmic neighborhood beyond the visible realm. We delved into its unique composition, a fascinating blend of hydrogen, helium, and an abundance of ices such as water, ammonia, and methane. This gave rise to its nickname as an ice giant. We explored the extreme conditions on Uranus with its frigid temperatures, making it one of the coldest planets in our solar system. But the intrigue doesn't end there. We also touched upon the planet's peculiar tilt, almost 90 degrees on its side, a feature that's still a topic of debate among scientists. This unusual orientation leads to extreme seasons and long, dark winters, adding to the planet's enigmatic charm. And then there are the mysteries. The faint ring system, the complex cloud structures, the puzzling heat signature, and the enigmatic rotation of its interior. Each aspect of Uranus is a piece in the cosmic puzzle that scientists are still trying to put together. While we've come a long way in understanding Uranus, it remains a celestial enigma, continuing to challenge our knowledge and fuel our curiosity.